Man, what's good, YouTube? Man, it's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey Phone Trader Channel. We back with another huge banger. Guys, I'm currently in the trade. Let's just say that this is the trade that I need, man. I'm going to show you guys. I'm in a current trade on NASDAQ, and it's almost at my take profit. If this hit my take profit, I'll let you guys know. So we're getting ready to watch the trade, man. So let's switch to this phone. So let's switch. All right, guys. So we're currently in the trade. I've just been taking trades, bouncing off the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Just couldn't get it right. So I finally made my money back. I need the market to keep pushing, and I'm going to gradually move my stop loss. If it hit my take profit, I'm gonna show you guys what's up, man. But right now, if the market gets to this green line, then I'm going to move my stop loss to this white line. All the money that I lost early this morning, I've made it back. But once it gets to this green right here, then I needed to hit TP, man. So we're going to keep eyes on it, guys. We are almost there. Come on, man. I'm almost there, man. I'll let y'all know what I mean by almost there. It is currently 10:50 a.m. and I need the market. I need NASDAQ on the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour. I needed to hit this 200 EMA, man. Hit my take profit, man. Come on, man. I'll keep you guys posted, man. Alright, guys, 10:52 a.m. I am officially moving my stop loss the way I can make my money back for the day. Alright, so we've made our money back for the day, y'all. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Whew. Come on, man. We watching, y'all. We keep an eye on it, man. Come on, get up there, man. Come on, man. I'm so nervous. All right, we about halfway. I might move it. Do I want to let it breathe or not? You know what? I'm taking it. Nope. I'm moving it. I move my stop loss. This was the green line the green area I was talking about. I'm fine with that. But we need this TP to be hit. But I'm fine with this. That's okay. Hit the TP, man. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, man. You can do it, man. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. 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 Come on, man. Come on. Get up there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Y'all. I gotta show y'all something. So I'm gonna go to the My Fundy Futures dashboard and show y'all. Okay, guys, we are logged into My Fundy Futures dashboard. So I'm gonna scroll up. All right, so this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. So yesterday, after the market closed, I took a trade yesterday, and I ended up making about $100 and something odd. So before that, we had the account at like 200 something. I made $100 and some yesterday. because with my funded futures, as you guys can see, you need 5 days of $100. So yesterday counted as a day when I took that trade, so that put us at 4 stars. That's 4 days of $100. When the market ended yesterday, we had $313.24. So that means I only needed one more day of $100 in order to have 5 stars. So today, look guys, I'm gonna show you again. Today we've made $200. So guess what that means, y'all? That means that we've completed 5 stars. We've made, after the market closed today, after it updates, after 4 p.m. Central Time, that means, guys, that we can request a daggone payout of $500. Oh my gosh, man. Man, I don't know why I'm getting emotional, man. Y'all, the struggle, man. It's been a rough year, man. Whew. I'm sorry, y'all. This means so much to me, man. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh, man. It's been a rough year this year, man. You guys didn't know, man. God, I just thank you, man. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed and I'm thankful, man. Thank you so much, man. Hoo-wee, man. I'm sorry, y'all, boy. It's been hell this year for me, man. It's like the devil has just been busy in me and my family life, y'all. Oh my gosh, man. Man. Oh, get it together, man. It might not seem much to somebody, man, but it's a lot for me, man. So this year, man, you know, our basement got flooded, man. Just a bunch of other family stuff going on, but that took a huge hit this year, man. Our basement ended up getting flooded. I lost a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying, man? If you guys don't know, man, here's some quick clips of what ended up happening. Or here's some quick clips of our basement getting flooded and stuff, man. Like, we ended up going through that this year, man. We was going to see the Martin Luther King Hotel and stuff, man, and you know what I'm saying, just to see what transpired, what happened, you know what I'm saying, to read the documentaries and stuff, and you know what I'm saying, man. And so we were leaving Memphis, y'all, and so the traffic got backed up so bad. A tree fell in the road. We got hit by a bunch of traffic. The tree fell over in the road, and then a bunch of cars ended up hitting the tree or something like that, man. And we were in traffic for almost an hour, y'all. And so we called my brother-in-law because before we left, our sump pump, our regular sump pump had gave out. So our backup sump pump was running off a car battery. So normally that works. I was like, okay, boo, I think we'll be good until we get back home because the backup sump pump battery is doing good. So we call our brother-in-law like, hey man, is there any way you can go fix our regular sump pump that's ran by a wall socket? because that went out. We can't leave the backup sump pump battery on for a long period of time. So is there any way you can go over there and fix it? You know what I'm saying? While it's running on that backup battery sump pump. So my brother-in-law get over there. He's taking the parts apart and stuff like that. And I'm like, hey, brother-in-law, is the backup sump pump still running? He was like, yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna, and at the same time, it's raining so hard, y'all. And so he went to go get the parts and stuff like that, man. And when he got back 30 minutes later from getting parts, the whole basement was flooded, man. I said, man, you know what? Just forget it, man. Don't even worry about it, brother, man. I appreciate you even going over there to try to check it out. He was like, man, this is going to have to be changed anyway. So the water came all the way up to our shins, in between our knee and our ankles. It was in the middle, man. And so I'm like, man, just forget about it. It's all gone. It's damaged. It's like, man, it's going to have to be fixed anyway, man, or else this water can get up all the way to my knees. So he ended up changing out. It ended up working for a little bit, but then, you know what I'm saying, we get home and it stopped working because the sump pump that we have, once the water is over that sump pump, in order to push the water out to the street, if the water is over it, it stops working. So we had the wrong sump pump. So we had to get a underwater sump pump in order for it to work. So it's just that whole process, y'all. We ended up going through that, man. It was a headache, man, but God ended up blessing us with the insurance money. We you know what I'm saying, we was blessed to even get that little bit of money. We had almost $40,000 in damages, y'all, and they only gave us like a quarter of that, man, like just a breath of that, man. So we were really upset with that, man, but we were blessed and thankful, man. And then I knew nothing about FEMA, whoever FEMA was, but my godmother ended up telling my wife about it to get a hold of this person, because this person had recently just got a nice lump sum of money for FEMA. So we ended up filling out the FEMA application, and we were straight up with them. We was like, hey, we don't know if we can be approved to get money because our basement had flooded due to our sump pumps going out, and we also got insurance money, because normally when you get extra money from somewhere else, they don't give you the money, but FEMA ended up giving us some extra money to take care of the damages and stuff, man. So we were blessed, man. We were thankful, man. So that whole ordeal, man, has been crazy. And guys, I haven't been posting any videos recently because here recently we just found out that my wife's father had passed away earlier this week, man, on Sunday morning. You know, it was really hard, man, because Mr. Wills was such a funny guy, man, you know what I'm saying, and that's my wife's dad, you know what I'm saying. So you know, it's you know, we holding on, man. Just continue to keep my wife in your prayers, man, and the family in prayer, man. We're just trying to keep our heads up and keep pushing, you know what I'm saying. So that's why I haven't been posting here lately or creating any short clips or anything. I just haven't been posting at all until Wednesday. You know, normally I post earlier in the week, even if I'm not trading, I'll find a video, but just wanted to take a break, you know what I'm saying, get my mind and my head straight, you know what I'm saying, just being there for my wife and by her side, man. I really haven't had an urge to trade, an urge to you know what I'm saying, really just making the videos until yesterday and today. So all that emotion going on, from the flooding to us losing her father, my father-in-law, you know what I'm saying, this is wholesome, you know what I'm saying. Finally, y'all, we got a payout. It's been almost a year, man. So I'm just thankful, I'm blessed, I'm favored. Lord, I just bless your name. I give you praise, honor, and glory, Lord, for, you know what I'm saying, just the gift to do this, man, for helping me not get greedy, to stay the course, man, you know what I'm saying, just to not give up. Because it's times, man, I just was like, man, I'm going to just leave trading alone for about a whole month or two, or just leave the summer months alone, because it seemed like the summer months is so bad for me. But Lord, I just thank you for helping me to keep pushing and keep pressing into my destiny, into my purpose, because I really feel like this can change my life, man. And God, man, I just pray that this can open up different other streams of income, you know what I'm saying, to really bless my family, man, to take it to the next level, man, because I want to see other people happy. I want to see other people winning. I want to see other people up. I just want to see everybody doing great. And I just hope that, you know what I'm saying, somebody watching this, somebody that is going through, man, that this is able to change their life just by me giving my testimony of how I've been going through. But I just keep pushing, I just keep pressing, just to look like the story, the little engine that could. Nobody wanted to use this little train because he was so small and they had so much luggage and baggage and stuff, man. And then the animals got on there, was like, hey, we're gonna use you. And that thing huffed and puffed, and you know what I'm saying, kept going over the hill. And finally that little engine, the little engine that could, finally got over the hill, man. You know what I'm saying? And God, I just appreciate you just showing me that I can do this, man. Y'all, I got a lot going on in my, I just got a lot going on and just thinking about a lot of stuff, man. Y'all, I'm sorry, I just got a lot going on, a lot that I'm thinking about, man. But guys, we did it, man. It's been almost a year later. We finally got a payout. And it's from My Fundy Futures, the prop firm that I've always struggled trading with, man. Yes, sir! Finally, man. Woo! Finally, y'all, we got a payout, man. Man. We crest the payout today, guys. Man. Payout coming later on, man. I might go live. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, man. We officially got a $500 payout. I'm blessed, y'all. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey the Phone Trader got coming out, y'all. We finally did it, y'all. First payout of the year. Took a long time, man. I believe that first year, to be honest, I believe that first year was lucky for me. But then I started really diving and digging in, learning the strategy, starting to love the way the trades I like taking. I started learning, you know what I'm saying, the trades that I really like to take and not take. You know what I'm saying? Trying not to overthink things, man. But yeah, man, I think I'm starting to get stuff finally packed down the way I really want it. So it's only up from here, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Deuce, love y'all. Peace, blessings to y'all, man. I just want to encourage somebody. I just want to give somebody hope that you can do it. You can do all things through Christ which strengthens you, man. Make sure you keep God first. Read a scripture or two a day, man. Pray to God, man. Tell him what you think and tell him what you want, man. But in order for God to bless you, you got to put the work in, man. God is looking for you to do something in order for him to bless you. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, man, just keep your head up, y'all. If people kept telling me, I'm almost there, your payout is almost there, I want to tell you the same thing, that yours is right around the corner, man. God said he will bless you exceedingly abundantly above all you could ever ask, think, or imagine. It is coming. $500 payout from My Fundy Futures, y'all. Yes, sir! So, peace, blessings, love y'all again, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. Y'all know it, man. It's about time. I holla! $500 payout, baby. Deuces.